Good morning. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel this week. Due to unforeseen circumstances, the rest of the crew could not make it today. So that means no engine run. So it's just me today. And your beloved host has elected to have me take charge of the channel for this week's episode. So most of it is going to happen over at the Vietnam War Flight Museum and not here in the Phantom Hangar. So let's go see what's happening there. Okay, we are in the Vietnam War Flight Museum. Let's see what's the happenings today. We got the TA-4 and the F-100. You guys have seen that fly in the past few weekends. Super cool progress that we've made on that. Got the MiG-17, the Fallen Gnat. There's the MiG-15. We also ran that a few weeks ago. MiG-21, we were having afterburner problems, which was really unfortunate. Oh,
Hey,
and we have
up?
a Jerod in here.
Unwrapping the gold Christmas present here.
Oh. Yeah, what are you unwrapping here? Oh.
We're taking the plastic covering off. We were doing some touch-up painting on the helicopter, and so we had the Gnat and the MiG-21 all wrapped up just in case of some overspray. So it looks like we avoided that pretty good, but you never know.
Right, yeah, you always gotta take an extra step.
Yeah, that's right. You always want to take care of these old birds and keep them looking as good as they can.
Yeah. What else we got going on today, Jerod?
Well, let's see. Let's come on around here. This plastic out of your way. Snake through here. We got the 262 over here. Now, keep in mind, usually the CH-46s and all that are over here. So one of the projects this weekend is to take these old high bay lights out, put new LEDs in, and took advantage of the helicopters not being in here and put the 262 in here. This is actually a little bit of a wash bay here. We can kind of clean the aircraft up in here without going outside.
Yeah, you can see it here, the drain
nice
lines.
Drain there.
Right. Yeah, no, and this hasn't gotten a bath in a while, so we could use it for sure.
Yeah, well, you know, we were the last ones to wash it. I'm sure you were around when that happened, and then we put a nice coating on it that kept it looking nice for a long time. So now it's time to wash it again. Since then, she's been in the T hangar. She's been on display at Lone Star. She's been back in the T hangar and now over here. So a lot of opportunities to get dusty.
Yeah, she's had a busy schedule, that's for sure.
Yes. So, and one of the things we're doing today too is, as you can see, there's an extension cord strung here. Chris came in yesterday. We put it on the battery charger. We're going to service the tires, and with any luck, we're at least going to run it and maybe fly it today. If Rick Sharp shows up and decides he wants to go do a flight, that'll be awesome. And the reason for all that is we're flying it in the Rose City Airfest in Tyler, Texas, on October 4th and 5th. So if you guys are around and want to see the 262 do some aerobatics, Rick Sharp really does a good job of putting it through its paces here. And so that's what we're doing. We're making sure she's good to go. I was originally supposed to fly the Gnat in that show, but we are running down a mic audio problem that we cannot get to the bottom of. So
yeah,
we're working on it.
That was really frustrating.
Oh, it's still frustrating. So anyway, Rick, thank goodness, stepped in, helping me out, helping the Rose City Airfest out by flying the 262 instead of me flying the Gnat. So that's what we're doing today with this thing.
There we go, yeah. So there we go, guys. That's what we have for our planned agenda for today. Guess we'll go out here on the ramp and take a look at the CH-46s and some of those new paint jobs they got. They look pretty sick. At the Humvee, hydraulic servicing. We get the gray, and we have the forest green. Oh, comment down below, which one do you like, the green or our two-tone gray?
thank you to Jack for taking over the camera for me this morning since I had to work. But I made it back in time for something fun. That's going to get fired up here very shortly. So that, get the light going again. If I'm not mistaken, that's got an air show to go to, not here, but somewhere else here locally in the state. Not exactly sure where it's going, but they want to make sure it's ready to go. Yeah, baby. ME-262 pilot in training.
In training, yeah. So I learned how to fire it up today for ground runs and service checks and stuff like that. So, which actually was pretty handy because looks like we have something we need to take a look at.
Where's she flying to? Or
we're going to Tyler for Rose City Airfest.
Nice.
Yeah.
So assuming
it'll be great.
Nothing to go sideways on us. So we should be. That should be there.
Yeah, it's looking good, and Rick Sharp will be flying it, putting it through its aerobatic paces there. So if you haven't ever, most people haven't seen a 262, you certainly haven't seen one do aerobatics. Go check it out at Tyler Rose City Airfest.
Definitely. And thank you also for the help this morning while I was off at work.
Oh yeah, of course. Yeah, I'm sorry we ended up not doing a whole lot except work.
Yeah, right. This is going to be a fun one to edit. So thanks, Jerod.
All right. See y'all.
And thanks to Jack as well for helping man the camera as well.
I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Oh,
hope you guys enjoyed it. 'Cause there wasn't much going on this morning, but work.
Yes.
So, question for you, procedural way.
Always work with it when it comes to aviation. All right. Well, that does it for this one. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time. Yeah.